You guys want to say anything to anybody talking or getting onto the? You want to say anything?
It's really important we stop this pipeline now. And channel all their energy towards it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. Stop line 3.
Stand up, fight back! What do we do? Stand up, fight back! We stand!
We stand!
With our brothers!
With our brothers!
With our sisters!
And our sisters!
And our two-spirit cousins!
And our two-spirit cousins!
We stand!
We stand!
We stand!
We stand!
We stand!
We stand!
Protect the sacred!
Protect the sacred!
Defend the water!
Defend the water!
Fight for our rights!
Fight for our rights!
For our sons and daughters!
For our sons and daughters!
For the air we breathe!
For the air we breathe!
For the water we drink!
For the water we drink!
For the whole damn planet!
For those that are tuning in right now, we have 2 water protectors here that are locking down to stop Enbridge from doing construction here to be building a transfer station that will be pumping tar sands, crude oil, tar sands through Anishinaabe territory. Just 2 days ago, several members of the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency's own Environmental Justice Advisory Group submitted their collective resignation over the MPCA's decision to grant Line 3 water crossing permits. They cannot continue to provide cover for the MPCA's war on black and brown people.
You can't drink soil! You can't drink oil! You can't drink soil! You can't drink oil! You can't drink soil! You can't drink oil! 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 Keep it in the soil! Keep it in the soil! You can't drink oil! Keep it in the soil! You can't drink oil! Keep it in the soil! You can't drink oil! Keep it in the soil! You can't drink oil! Keep it in the soil!
Those that are tuning in right now, we got 2 water protectors here locking down, shutting down construction that's happening here.
Keep it in the soil! Keep it in the soil! Keep it in the soil!
Can't really see that.
Keep it in the soil! 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 Keep it in the soil!
people too. We are united. We will not let you build this pipeline. We are the people too. We are united. We will not let you build this pipeline. We are the people too. We are united. We will not let you build this pipeline. We are the people too. We are united. We will not let you build this pipeline. We are the people too. We are united. We will not let you build this pipeline. We are the people too.
So far, all the workers that have showed up have all left. We stopped construction, locking. We got 2 water protectors that locked down here. Enbridge Line 3 is actually responsible for the biggest inland spill in U.S. history. The line broke near Grand Rapids, Minnesota in 1991 and spilled 1.7 gallons of oil into the ground in Prairie River. So that's why we're here to stop the construction of Line 3. Stopping Line 3 is about kneecapping the entire genocidal tar sands industry. They can't move the oil. They have to close their mines. So those that are tuning in right now again, we got 2 water protectors that are locking down, stopping construction for the day. Enbridge is currently trying to do construction right now. Line 3 will be trenching through more than 350 miles of northern Minnesota, crossing more than 78 miles of wetland and more than 200 bodies of water. That's why we're here locking down today to stop the construction of Enbridge in partnership with Precision. Right now, I'm standing on wetland matting. They lay down on the ground for wetland so their heavy machinery won't sink in to the wetland. So they bulldoze everything and they lay these down, and these prevent them from sinking in. And they've been transporting these for the past year and storing them inside yards, waiting for the right moment. The Line 3 permitting process is all complicated and straight up stupid. We have one Minnesota agency suing another right now. The Department of Commerce is suing the Public Utilities Commission for illegally granting Enbridge certification of needs. According to Minnesota law, Enbridge needs to prove that there is need for the oil they are hoping to take to market. They never provided that oil forecast. Tim Walt seems to be making up his mind. This Department of Commerce appeals was his own decision, presumably because he knows the PUC did not follow the process. Then just this week, he announced his support for the project, saying it completed its time in the legal process, which will start Enbridge's construction, despite needing water crossing permits. So those tuning in again, got two water protectors here locking down, stopping Enbridge from the construction.
The earth is on fire. We don't need no oil. Let the corporations burn. Burn, corporations, burn.
Okay, cool. I think I got some photos.
Two water protectors here locking down, protecting our wild rice and the wetlands and all the water that we all need to survive. Also protecting the Anishinaabe territory and the wild rice. So we've currently stopped people from starting construction here today. And now it seems like they're waiting on oh, here comes the police officer, one unit. So we actually stopped construction for today here at one of the transfer station that Enbridge is trying to build to pump tar sands through Anishinaabe territory and wetland, destroying everything in its way.
Protect the sacred! Defend the water! Fight for our rights! Our sons and daughters! The air we breathe! And the water we drink! It's the whole damn planet! It's on the brink! Protect the sacred! Defend the water! Fight for our rights! For our sons and daughters! For the air we breathe!
So we stopped construction. We have cops come in.
The whole damn planet is on the brink! Protect the sacred! Defend the water!
Oh, it's in the car.
For our sons and daughters! For the air we breathe! And the water we drink! It's the whole damn planet! It's on the brink! Protect the sacred! Defend the water! Fight for our rights!
So again, those tuning in, we have 2 water protectors that locked down, stopping Enbridge
And the water
from
we
doing
drink.
construction.
Because the whole damn planet is on the brink. What do we do when the land is under attack? What do we do when the people are under attack? Stand up, fight back!
What do we do when indigenous rights are under attack?
Stand up, fight back!
What do we do when wild rice is under attack?
Stand up, fight back!
What do we do?
Stand up, fight back!
What do we do?
Stand up, fight back!
What do we do?
Stand up, fight back!
Stop line 3! Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line
Stop line 3! 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 Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3! Stop line 3! Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
Stop line 3!
We will!
Stop line 3!
We must!
medical professor has a long pipeline construction route are recommending a construction stay due to COVID risk to their communities. Also, we have man camps that are being formed here in Minnesota. We got ads going on to house and bridge workers in small rural cities such as Park Rapids. Tim Waltz was actually saying that there will be no man camps in Minnesota, but yet they're building man camps. Line 3 is a 10% expansion of the Alberta tar sands and will produce the greenhouse gases equivalent to the 50 new coal plants running 24 hours a day. Again, 2 water protectors here locking down. This is going on in Park Rapids, Minnesota. Enbridge is actively building a transfer station to pump tar sands through Anishinaabe territory.
What do we do? Stand up, fight back. What do we do? Stand up, fight back.
Are y'all changing?
I think so.
Okay.
Fuck the Ambridge Corporation. We stand with indigenous nations. Fuck the Ambridge Corporation. We stand with indigenous nations. Fuck the Ambridge Corporation. We stand with indigenous nations. Fuck the Ambridge Corporation. We stand with indigenous nations. Fuck the Ambridge Corporation. We stand with indigenous nations.
So we got two water protectors walking down again, stopping Enbridge from doing construction.
Talking to you guys, having a lovely little conversation. They gave a
So as of right now, we have 2, 4, 6, 7 units here protecting Enbridge, Enbridge's property. We got them all right there standing, trying to make a decision on what to do. So again, Enbridge is here doing construction, trying to build a transfer station here. Through wetland. As you see right across from us is all wetland, flagged out. And the ladies matting down right here as a bridge, because right where that matting is laid down, that's where it's wet. It was wetland. So when they have all these heavy equipment driving over, it'll prevent them from sinking into the mud. We got units here consulting with the workers, see what they could do about us. It's very crucial that we stop Enbridge from destroying Anishinaabe territory and polluting everybody else's water, because we all need water to live. So again, we're here north of Park Rapids, Minnesota. Transfer station being built. Enbridge is building a transfer station. Construction is currently on its way. Despite everything else. So we're here to make a statement telling them that we won't have this line built, nor have man camps here in Minnesota. Tim Waltz was saying that there won't be man camps here in Minnesota, but yet we have a few man camps that are being actively constructed right now as we speak. So for those tuning in again, just getting an update. We got 2 water protectors that locked down, stopping construction. Here's our water protectors here locking down. Those of you tuning in. So we got 5 minutes to vacate the premises because they want to protect Enbridge's property. Because Enbridge said so. Enbridge told them that they want us off their property, and they're over here just like, yeah. But anyways, got 2 water protectors here that locked down, stopping construction, stopping the pipeline from going through wetlands.
We will. We must. We will. We must. We will. We must.
So this week, the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency and the Walz administration are greenlighting Enbridge Line 3. While Democratic Governor Gretchen Whitmer of Michigan decommissioned Enbridge Line 5, permanently revoking their easement. An erosion over a period of years posed an imminent threat. So that's what we want. We want Line 3 to be revoked. We want Tim Walz to revoke Line 3 and to stop this construction from being built.
Start walking that way.
So we got our 2 water protectors here that are locking down.
What do we do in the land that's under attack? What do we do in the water that's under attack?
You guys are fucking.
What do we do in our people?
Thank you guys for doing what you do. Thanks for standing up for the water. We love you. We'll be right outside. So our 2 water protectors here, stopping construction.
For our sons and daughters.
So we're standing outside the gate right now because
We breathe. The water we drink.
they said so.
It's the whole damn planet.
But we got our 2 water protectors there, standing up for what is right, standing up for the future, our generation, so they can witness the beauty that we witness here, witness all the water that we witness here. There's so much beautiful water here in Minnesota, and I don't know why they want to put this pipeline through it.
The whole damn planet is on the brink. It's on the brink. Protect the sacred.
Defend the water.
Defend the water.
Fight for our rights.
Fight for our rights.
For our sons and daughters.
Sons and daughters.
For the air we breathe.
For the air we breathe.
And the water we drink.
And the water we drink.
Because the whole damn planet.
The whole damn planet
is on the brink.
is on the brink.
We stand with indigenous nations.
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 We stand with
Indigenous nations, fuck the Enbridge Corporation. Indigenous nations, fuck the Enbridge Corporation.
We stand with indigenous nations.
Fuck the Enbridge Corporation.
Over here, like I said, they flagged out
Fuck the Enbridge
this
Corporation.
whole area,
We stand with indigenous nations.
trying to build a transfer station.
We stand with indigenous nations.
Fuck the Enbridge Corporation.
the wetland they want to go through. This matting here. This is what they put on top of wetlands so their big machines won't sink in. So they put these big mattings down. They put gravel in the ground, the gravel and sand, then these big matting, and then they put these big steel plating on top so that the heavy machinery tracks don't destroy the wood so quickly. But this area is all flagged out. They're actively doing construction here to begin